After Supreme Court wraps Mamta Sarkar, Adhir asks Sibal to opt out of case. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary to Sibal, don't support criminals. So Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is giving an advice to Kapil Sibal. He says don't support criminals, opt out of this case. This after the scathing observations that came in from the Supreme Court yesterday during the hearing. The Supreme Court expressed shock on the procedural lapses that were witnessed when it came to the timeline, the police investigation and the delay.
कपिल सिब्बल एक मशहूर आइनजीवी है, लीगल लुमिनरी है और हिंदुस्तान की आइनजीवों की जगत में एक बड़ा सितारे भी है। मैं उनसे यह गुजारिश करूंगा कि आप इस केस से खुद को वापस कर लो, विड्रॉ कर लो, रिक्यूज कर लो। ये बंगाल के आम लोगों की सेंटीमेंट और बंगाल के आम लोगों को गुस्सा, आक्रोश को देखते हुए अपराधियों की तरफदारी ना करे तो बेहतर है।
We have Shreya joining us on the broadcast with more details. Advice coming in from Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Tapas is also with us on the broadcast. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says opt out of the case. Don't support criminals.
Well, perhaps yes, and this is perhaps
well,
the first
Tapas,
time
that question is for Shreya. Please stay on with us.
Well, of course, we see Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary now takes a dig at Kapil Sibal. We see clearly Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says that do not support criminals. He also says that you were once our leader of our party. Now you're with Rajya Sabha. Once upon a time, you were an elected member for the Lok Sabha. You represented the lower house. So do not support criminals. This is the clear message which Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is giving to Kapil Sibal at this point in time. Remember, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says that you have to understand the sentiment of the people of Bengal when the whole country is going through this situation. There is so much rage and anger, and that is the time you are representing the West Bengal government. He pleads to Kapil Sibal not to do that. In fact, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary talks about a social media campaign that is being run where Kapil Sibal is clearly defamed, and he says that I feel bad about it, but Kapil Sibal should immediately withdraw from the case.
Yes, absolutely. Stay on with us, Shreya. Before I go across to Tapas, let's share more details when it comes to the ex-principal of RG Kar Hospital. Day 8 of Sandeep Ghosh's questioning is underway. Sandeep Ghosh has arrived at the CBI office and we are getting you some inside scoop. So there's continuous grilling happening at the moment. The CBI is grilling Sandeep Ghosh, who remember was the principal of the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital when this gruesome incident, this crime was committed. Ghosh has been grilled for over 10 hours on Thursday. He was questioned overall till now for 80 hours. Tapas is getting us more details on that. Yes, Tapas, over to you now.
Well, see, Sandeep Ghosh have been questioned for last 7 days, and today, for the 8th consecutive day, Sandeep Ghosh have reached CBI almost an hour back, and he is inside CBI office, inside this very office at the ground floor, and he is questioned as we speak. And not only that, yesterday, along with Sandeep Ghosh, there were 5 other people, four trainee doctors who had their dinner with the deceased on that fateful night before the incident, and a civic volunteer who is also close to be known to be close to Sanjay Rai, the prime accused who is arrested, have given their consent for a polygraphic test. However, it's not very clear whether the polygraphic test would happen today or not. But the main point today is that Sanjay Rai, the main accused, his full-term police custody ends today. In any moment now, he will be taken out of CBI office, would be taken to the Shelda court where he would be produced. Previously, CBI already given a prayer to the court to conduct a polygraphic test of Sanjay Rai, but keeping in mind the security concerns, he was not taken out of CGO complex or CBI office. Today, when he will be produced before the court, first CBI would pray for the polygraphic test, and if Sanjay gives his consent, then his polygraphic test will also be allowed by the court. And secondly, the CBI would also submit before the court that what are the findings as far as Sanjay Rai and his involvement in the crime and the rape and murder is concerned. Sources reveal that there are adequate evidences that Sanjay is one of the prime accused. Several forensic samples have been
one
sent
of
to,
the accused. Who are the others? What about them? Now, CBI will have to look into that and the links that will come to fore during the investigation. Shreya and Tapas, for the moment, thank you for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue.